3D Sellers is by far and away a lifesaver, a godsend. It's amazing. It's amazing for two reasons. The first reason is the software is incredible. But days like today, I also have to highlight the reason it's amazing is because of your support. The software is so powerful, allows you to scale the business infinitely. I wouldn't have a fraction of the size of operation that I do if it wasn't for the fact that your software makes it so easy to scale. You guys are very, very good at in terms of making your customers feel valued. I asked you for a favor last week. We've extended my trial. You did that no problem, that's just going to make me subscribe for it for the next 12 months ongoing at least. I don't think there's a software or a product that I use that I speak of more highly. And again, it's 50% the software, but it's 50% you guys, especially you, Joe. You are a star. The team, what you have, even this problem that you have today, I know with certainty it's going to be fixed promptly, probably by tomorrow. In terms of the value you provide, it's worth its weight in gold. Just for the support calls alone, because again, the software is amazing, but it's 50% of the good stuff. The other 50% is you and everyone you work with.